Lesson 6, Expected Learning Outcomes. Let's read. Activity 1, Activity 2, Activity 3, Activity 4. Wardrobe. Activity 5, Activity 6. Let's talk. Activity 7, Write a short story using the following points in above 6 sentences. Try to give a title. এবার self check. Activity 8, Activity 9, Activity 10, Activity 11, Activity 12, Activity 13, Activity 14, Activity 15, Activity 16. Write another story in about 5-6 sentences of the same moral value with a title. You may take some help from the following points.